Hi everyone who has a Groo box, thank you so much for supporting Groobarbs Wild Farm in this crazy pandemic time that we're all experiencing. I know there's been a lot of hardship, but I wanted to give you a story of positivity in this difficult time. And we have started spending a lot of money on the crops, but also our software which powers the business, because at first we just couldn't cope with all these new customers coming in, and we even had to stop the website for a week or so. But now we've ramped that up. We're taking on more people. So if you're interested in a veg box, please go on the website groobarbs.co.uk and sign up. We've got lots more great veggies available coming soon, straight out of the field. We've got some lovely stuff in the glass houses right now. We've got some crops sheeted up over there, spring greens, broccoli, all that really good green stuff that people love. When you pick it that morning and it comes fresh the same day, that's when we want you to taste that difference. So thank you for watching this, and I hope you're doing well at home, and I hope very soon we can all get back to normal. But please stick with the veg box. You can go on the website, you can change the contents so you get more of what you want. Enjoy cooking all these great recipes at home. So thank you guys, and stick with us. You mean a lot to us, so thank you.